Ready to dive back into Ghibliart AI? Here's how to log into your account. First, open your browser and go to ghibliart.ai. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password that you used during the sign up process. After filling your details, click Login. If you used the social login options like Google, Discord, or Apple ID, simply click the corresponding button and proceed with the login process. If you are unable to log in, double check your credentials and use the forgot password option to reset your password. And that's it. You are successfully logged in and ready to create beautiful Ghibli inspired art. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.